Hello everyone, Debbie here from Debbie's Little Darlings, and today I'm going to do Theme Thursday, which is birds, any bird, or trains, planes and automobiles. So I'm going to change Charlie. This is Charlie. No, it ain't. It's Frank. This is Frank, and he is the Ava sculpt by Cassie Brace and reborn by Louise Gonzalez. I keep doing that, calling him the wrong name. And he's going to be wearing this little mayoral outfit. So there's a little top with a bus, cars and taxi on, and it's mayoral 0 to 1 month, and a little pair of red shorts. How cute are they? This is an outfit, a mayoral outfit, so they're from mayoral as well. And this one came with the socks, so it's got blue, yellow, red and green, and then grey top, a grey stripe, blue toes, green heel and white sock there. So he's going to be wearing them, and thought I'd keep it cash and just put some of these on him, trainers. Right, so let's get on with it. What's everyone up to today? Anything nice? Oh, I've got something to show you as well. Especially Chris's cuddles. I like these socks, but it's so cute. I mean, they're cute too, aren't they? Where the sunshine, it's a bit windier, but it's still nice. I've got my back door open, but blinking flies are coming in. They're a pain. Quite a big pain actually. It looks quite long actually, don't you? This has got a popper either side of his neck. It's my granddaughter's 21st birthday on the 22nd, but she's going away on holiday with her boyfriend, so she won't be here. So we're going to celebrate it on Saturday. Is that the 19th? Is it Saturday or Friday? Let's have a look. Yeah, Saturday. So I've got her present. I've just got to get her a nice birthday card. Hopefully I'll get her 21st birthday from Nan, you know. Hey, but they're quite difficult to get, funny enough. I did get one, a graduation one from Nan, which I was quite surprised about. Sure, he's got another pair of trainers. Because I bought these ones for Charlie. But when I got them, I thought they're just... Charlie's only got little feet. And they're little skinny feet. And these are quite wide. And he's a bit smaller than Frank. So they look a bit silly on him. So Frank got them, didn't you, Frank? By default. Yeah, we're going out for a meal, and down this little place called Minis Bay. They've got, because it's always had a cafe there, but now they've got a restaurant as well. And looking at the menu, it's quite posh. You know, so I'm having a posh burger. Oh dear, I'm so adventurous. Oh, look at him, look at you, Frank, you look gorgeous. I'll use this one today. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. Be weird not seeing her on her birthday. Oh, and then we've got our zoo trip. I don't know if I've told you about that. When she comes back, we're doing our zoo trip. Let's show you him. Oh, there he is. Say hello, aunties, uncles. Right, I'll go and get Lilith, and then we'll change Lilith. Back again with the lovely Lilith. I don't really want to take her out of this because I really love it, but it's got to be done. So she's covering the alternative, which is birds. So she's wearing this little pink dress with little pink, little white flowers on it. It's got smocking across there, and it's got a mummy duck and two children ducks, two baby ducks. So it's got a little frill around the sleeve, little Peter Pan collar, same at the back. It's got a white petticoat, and it's from M&Co Newborn, and it's got matching pants with the frill around the bottom in pink and white flowers, and she's wearing white socks, this hair clip, and pink shoes. Can you see? So let's get on with it. Yeah, I love my zoo visits. I always buy, I think I've told you actually, an animal, because you know, a cuddly toy. I love cuddly toys. I didn't realise it's getting worse. Oh dear. Yeah, definitely getting worse. I love this outfit. It's one of my haul outfits. And a sale item. It's cute. Very cute. One time, when I was about, crikey, I weren't very old, about 5 or 6, we went to the zoo, and there was Mum and Dad, me, Andrew and Teresa, because the other kids hadn't come along by that time, and we went to London Zoo. And my auntie and uncle come too. And we went round the zoo, and then Uncle Danny, his name was, and he kept saying, I want to go and see the elephants again. Can we see the elephants again before we go? So we went back to the elephants. And at that time, they were on like a little island with just the space round, you know. But this elephant clouted my uncle round the head with his trunk. I mean, they've changed it now, but they underestimated how far he could reach, I believe. So, and I thought it was hilarious. Even now, thinking back to it, I mean, at the time I didn't. But thinking back, he kept going on and on. Let's go and see the elephants again. I want to see the elephants again. And I think it frightened the life out of him, to be fair. But yeah, so then we went to the gift shop, and I bought this little Guy the gorilla. It's about that size, fitted in a matchbox. So I used to carry him around everywhere I went in this matchbox. I don't know what happened to him. I really don't. Maybe one of my siblings, when they come along, maybe they lost it, because siblings do that, little ones. But yeah, it was so funny though. So I love going to the zoo. We go once every year in the school holidays. It's usually around Emily's birthday, because we all meet up for her birthday anyway, so we generally go on her birthday or either side of it, because we go out on meals for everyone's birthday, whoever's birthday it is. We go out for dinner. It's quite a nice tradition, I think. I'll put your socks, girl. Oh, there they are. So, yeah. I thought she was going to have her presents later, but I think it makes sense to get them now. The thing is, right, I thought I like to give, when it's a special birthday like your 21st, I like to do something, get her something that she can keep forever. And then I had a brainwave. I thought, if I give her €100, then she can make memories with it. So I thought it is something she can keep, because it'll be memories. So that's what I've done. So I'll just put them in the card. Oh, look at her, she's so gorgeous. And I love this little dress on her. I don't know if she's had this on before actually. Yeah, so we are getting to go to the zoo this year. I think we're going to Howlett's again. I think, or there's another one that's near us, and they've just got some monkeys. They used to be quite a small little zoo, but they're gradually getting more and more animals now. And the last time we went, the monkeys were in quarantine, so we weren't allowed to see them, which was a shame. I love watching the monkeys. See that bow is the same colour as this stitch in here, more or less. There she is, look. How beautiful is she? Let's put her this way. So she's covered the other part of the hello aunties, uncles. Oh gosh, she's so beautiful. Anyway, let me show you what I wanted to show you. I won't be a minute. I've got a Charlie bear. I was watching Chris's Cuddles the other day, and she'd bought one. She'd just bought one, and I'd never heard of them before. And when she showed it, I thought, oh, I really like that. So I went and bought myself one. He's gorgeous. So I didn't pay full price for him. I got him on Vinted, but because they're collector bears and they're not children toys, because they're all different. This one's called Millie, and it's a cat. Can you see? It's a cat, and she's like kind of pink with dark colour on top. I think she's gorgeous. I've just ordered a chair for her as well. I thought I might move my jewellery box and she can sit there on her chair. And I've done a naughty thing and ordered another one. Gosh, I'm so bad. Yeah, so I'd like you to meet Millie. And she says, hello Auntie Chris. Thank you for getting Mummy to buy me. So I hope you like her, Chris. I do. I think she's absolutely gorgeous. They've got so much character into them. When I kept looking at her last, because I only got her yesterday, and I kept looking at her and I thought, look at, she's got all this character in her little face, and they're all movable parts, and that they've got hands. She's lovely. Anyway, let's sit her there. To all my subscribers, thank you. To all my new subscribers, thank you and welcome. And if you like this video, can you hit the like button? If you want notifications of further videos, bash the notification bell. And if you'd like, subscribe. Okay then, bye from all of us. Bye from Millie. Bye from Lilith. Frank says bye-bye. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.